Alright, today we're checking out the toy collection. Check it out, just a small taste of what we're going to be going through. We've got, how many more Transformers than this do we really have, Cannon, in the other rooms and in the closets and stuff?
I pretty much say about 100.
Way more than 100, dude. There's almost, 300 probably or so. Old school, new school, and in between. Today we're going to focus on these little devils. What are those called, Cannon?
Transformers.
Transformers, I know, but they're called Rescue Heroes, aren't they, or something like that?
They're called Autobots.
Those are Autobots. Anyway, Cannon's going to work on showing us how these transform real quick. Alright, son, go ahead. Hold right here where I can see you.
Things kind of broken.
That is not how you do it. You lift the wings up. And then it pushes that down. Hold him up here so everybody can see him. That's a really cool one. Alright, show him the blue one. He's a little boat. Let's get a look at him. He's a little boat. Alright. You flip his legs up, stick his arms out, and he's ready to go. Just like that. And we got him when we got the Autobots Sea Station.
Submarine.
Alright, show him the next one. Show him Bumblebee. This is our motorcycle version of Bumblebee. We've got a few different ones, but we're going to look at this one today. Alright. Alright, hold him up here where they can see him. Just flip his arms down. The front tire splits into two arms. He automatically transforms. And that's what's so great about these. They're cool.
They look easy
cool.
to transform.
You're right. And for young people, they're especially easy to transform them. So it's a great learning beginner transformer toy. All right, two more, son. Let's do that green one there.
This one's really simple. You pull the arms out.
Pull the arms out, and the head pops up, and the feet come out automatically. There you go again. He's back, bulldozing. And our final one
is a two-headed dragon.
Yes, and I forget this one's name, but he is the firefighter Autobot, and they're making a lot of different styles.
This one shoots ice, and this one shoots fire.
Yes, this one here is the dragon version of the firefighter. So we're gonna show them how it's done, son.
I'd rather transform this one.
Hold it there in the light where they can see it good.
This one especially ain't too easy to transform, but...
Hey. Flip his legs down.
Yes, forgot.
Oh, flip his arms out. Up his arms out like that one. There you go, now stand him up. Ta-da. And then you curl his dragon heads up like that. Hold him up there where everybody can see him good. Hold still. Move your hand, Cannon. There you go. So he's a pretty cool one. So
especially easy to not to transform, but
Rescue Bots. That's the name of these. Transformers Rescue Bots. Alright, set them down there by the others. We'll get one last shot of them all together. Alright, and that's 5 of our Rescue Bots. We've got way more than that.
Yeah.
But, anyway, that's for today. Thanks for watching. Tell them, son.
Thanks for watching. Love you.